Aloha. My name is Chevy, and I'm here to share with you the song called This Is Me. My voice interpreter is Michelle Morris, and so she's going to help you understand what I'm saying. The song is from The Greatest Showman, from the movie. We're going to move to the words, but boy, there's a lot of words in this song, as you can see here. It's really tough. Very good writer, however, but to translate all of these words into sign would be a lot of signs, and it would take a lot. So I've kind of condensed it into three things: sign language, which is visual art; signed words; and also gestures. And I will show you as we go along. First of all, this is me. There's a lot of different ways of saying. You could do me, 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 me. This is me. But for this song, we're doing this is me. This is me. This is my heart, coming from my heart. This is Ed. I'm really Ed. This is me. Me is from my heart, right here. And so that's what we're going to show, our love, and that's what this song is about. If you're not accepting somebody, but it's okay, because this is me, and we have to think positively. It's a very good meaning behind this song. It's about love. It's about broken love, happy love, sad love, everything. And all of it is from the heart. First of all, you hear the music at the beginning. Bum, 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 bum. And it's higher, and then it goes down lower. Bum, bum, bum. So you want to start like this. And as the music goes, you're going to come out to what's out there. Maybe some people aren't accepting, and so you're a little bit sad. And that's where we're going to start this song. What I did with all of the words or all of the lyrics is I made it a little bit easier for you. I kind of condensed it for the children. What you see in black means we're not going to sign it. Those are signs or words that are not really important. What you see in silver, the silver means what we're going to do for signed words. When you see the parentheses, that's going to be the visual art. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as we go through the song. And then we'll repeat. So you see here, we go back to number 2, so you follow the color. 2 goes to gold 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then down here, the green brackets is called the bridge, which means of all the songs, you always have a bridge that connects the verses. Once that's finished, then we're going to go back to verse 3 and 4 and 3. So I will show you as we go along. For this is me. This is me. Not like that, but this is me. This is who I am. So you want to have this kind of expression, not be aggressive. I'm not a stranger to the dark. I'm not a stranger in the dark. For sign language, the visual art, you're going to start like this. This is a sign for love, and this is a sign for hurt. I'm not a stranger in the dark, but it's pain. So love and then pain at the heart. Hide away, they say. They're telling you to go away. So all of those people. And then this is the sign for broken. And you're going to show sadness and broken from the heart. Learn. This is the sign for learn. Ashamed. We're not going to do ashamed, but we're going to say that we learn to accept the pain. Run away, they say. So it's the same as hide away. So you're just telling them to stop. And everyone, there's no love from anyone. No one. This is a sign for no one. And love. Won't. It's like won't, but we're just going to do gestures for that. And just do this kind of gesture with the palms down and separating. So let me show you this again. I'm not a stranger in the dark. Hide away, they say. Don't want no broken hearts. Learn to be ashamed of all the scars. Run away, they say. They don't love you as you are. So it's very simple what we're signing. So now the second verse is won't. Again, it's the same thing. Won't. Won't. Break me down to dust. What we're going to do is touch your heart with your middle finger and break your heart. But we're not going to do that. I know where the place is. It's going to be in your heart again. So I know, and you're going to draw the shape of the heart with your index fingers. There's a place for us. Where is the place for us? Again, it's in your heart. And the word glorious, what I chose was this hand shape for the heart. And you want to make a perfect heart with all of your fingers. And then glorious, it's going to be glorious so your fingers move away from your body and spread out. So now let's go from the top. Sign for love, pain, hide away, love, don't, and down. Learn to accept the pain. Hide away, they say. There's no love. And we are glorious. The next one is number 3. This one is called the chorus, and it repeats. So this tends to repeat, number 3 and 4. So this one, so like verse 2 is maybe one time, and 3 and 4 tends to repeat. The sharpest words want to cut me down. Wow. So what I'm doing is the visual art. Sharp words want to cut me down. So there's your heart. Want to cut me down so it kind of cuts the heart in half, and the heart falls away. So you can see the heart, and it breaks apart and falls away. It's a visual. So you want to use your animation on your face. And see how my face goes from happy to sad, and then you're bringing it back into a whole heart. I'm going to send a flood, meaning I'm going to bring my heart back and have it as one. Brave, this is the sign for brave. Who I'm meant to be, Again, oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Bruised. The word bruised, it's hard, it's not soft. You know, I'm brave, I'm bruised, I'm good. And this is who I'm meant to be. Again, right here, this is me. This is me. Okay, so again, from the top, okay, so that's what it looks like. Now we're going to go to the next part, number 4. Again, the chorus part is repetitive. Look out. Oh, watch out, watch out. This is it. Watch out or look out. Kind of visual, like, whoa, look out. Here I come. I'm coming. Marching to the beat of the drum. So look out, here I come. I'm marching on to the beat of the drum. That's really easy, that section. Not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not apologizing. This is me. All right, again, from the top. I'm not a stranger in the dark. Hide away, they say. We don't want your broken parts. I am brave, I am bruised. This is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, because here I come, marching on to the beat of the drum. And you want to follow the music. I'm not scared. No apologies. This is me. And now the music has a crescendo, and so you're going to show that rhythm in your body. You want to keep the beat with your body. You don't want to just stand there like this. You want to show the music. Keep the marching beat, the rhythm. You know, imagine you're very proud and you're marching, and follow the beat, even when you're showing the heart shape. Now we're going to go on to number 5. Again, love and hurt at the heart. Fire away, it's almost the same as hiding away, like running away. So it's very similar. You're going to push back. Push back. No. So to help, again, we're not going to sign every word. Okay, wait. Let me see where I am here. Fire away. So let the shame sink in. Bursting through the barricade. We're going to open up that barricade. Reaching for the sun, and that's the sign for sun. And that sun you're going to keep up in the sky. Warriors. So for warriors, you're going to have a fist. Like, yeah. Yeah. become. And that's the sign for become. So now we go back to number 2. Won't break me down. I know there's a place for us. Again, you're going to go to number 3. Sharpest words want to cut me down. Going to send a flood. Going to drown them out. I am brave. I am bruised. I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out. Here I come. Marching. And then no apologies. Now we're going to go to the bridge. It's trying to tell you that love is very important. I'm important. I'm special. This is me. This is who I am. I'm important. I'm special. And so that's what this bridge means. So we're going to condense that. Again, we're going to show the sign for love, and then special, and this is a sign for important. And then boom, boom, boom. And then it's going to, the music, everything stops. You're going to be still. Then we're going to jump to number 3. 3, 4, and 5. And then we're finished. So let's play the song again. The best way to see what I'm doing is to just visually watch. Be receptive. Just watch my signs and try to copy if you can. If you can't remember, that's all right. Just remember to gesture. That's your backup plan. You know, if you can't remember the signs. But visual art, it's all about love. That's what this song is about. Your heart, your love. Having a good heart, it doesn't matter, good heart, bad heart. But you are what you are. And it all comes from love. So let's do the song. I'm going to stop it.